Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. Today is Free Watch Face Tuesday. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at. It's free for the taking in the Good Manager store. This is Free Watch Face Tuesday. You're gonna like this one. The name of the watch face is called Amoled Air Psycho. Now this is the brown version. They do have one that's red, green, and blue. They're all on separate watch faces. This is definitely a beautiful, unique look. Now in the always on mode, it's gonna be a darker brown. You're still gonna get your analog look. When the watch face is on, I like the uniqueness of how the second hand, as it goes around, it lightens up the watch face. It's a beautiful thing. I'm loving this look. It does the same thing for your hour and your minute hand. It is not interactive. You cannot change colors or tap into any steps or anything like that. But still, it is worth its weight in gold. In my opinion, it is worth the download, especially considering that it's free, and free is always good. Let's check out watch face number 2. Number 2, this one is called Excelsior, a beautiful, elegant smartwatch. Now in the always on mode, you're pretty much gonna get a black and white theme to this watch face. But when it's on, it looks beautiful. It has an elegant look. Now it's made by SWF. This guy gets down on some watch faces. I'm giving them 2 thumbs up on this one. Now this is the free version. They do have a paid version, but for what this offers, you may not need the paid version, right? So let's take a look at it. At the top, you have the logo of the developer's name. You come down, you have the name of the watch, and you also get the day, the month, and the date along with your battery percentage. And it is an analog watch face, which looks really, really nice. I like the hands, and you have a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, which brings out the luxury of this watch face. Now, it is interactive, so if I tap right here, I can bring up my app. I also can tap here and it'll bring up my settings, and you can also customize those places of where you can tap on for a shortcut. So let me show you. Now the tricky part is that as I tap, you can customize the color of the watch face, but it's tricky. I wish it was a better location for this to be able to double tap with no problem, go right in. But if I double tap right here, it changes the color, and as I keep going, eventually I'll be able to get to the settings. There you go, right there. Now you can customize all these settings for your shortcuts for whatever you want in those places. If I want something here, I can just tap and I can go into my hotel. That's one of my shortcuts. But let's go right here and let's double tap, and we can customize what goes there, right? So I had something different. Let's put music player. So now when I double tap to go back out, once I single tap right here, it'll bring up my music player. This is an awesome watch face to be free. You can't beat this with a baseball bat. I love the colors on this one. This one is going to get you ready for going out on the town. This watch face is definitely worth its weight in gold. I say download it. It is worth the download. It is free for the taking. These 2 watch faces can be considered the best of the best of the Tuesday watch face review. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.